Hi, Pinky friends! Today, we're going to draw Homer Simpson, the fun and goofy dad from The Simpsons. Let's do it! Homer's full name is Homer J. Simpson. Homer loves donuts and even works at a power plant in Springfield. His catchphrase is "dough" whenever he makes a mistake or gets frustrated. Homer isn't the best singer, but he loves to sing loudly anyway. Do you know what Homer likes to say when he's happy? It's woohoo! Let's draw him with his arms up in joy. Homer has 3 kids, Bart, Lisa, and Maggie, and loves them a lot, even if he's a little clumsy. He has a best friend named Barney, who he's known since school. His favorite snack is, of course, donuts with pink frosting and sprinkles. He loves watching TV, especially a show called Itchy and Scratchy. Cool! Our Homer Simpson drawing is looking amazing. Now it's time to color him in. Let's make him look just like the show or add some colors of your own. So grab your crayons or markers. What's Homer's favorite food? That's right, donuts. Can you guess Homer's favorite type of donut? That's right, pink frosting with sprinkles. Do you know what Homer says when he makes a mistake? Dough. many kids does Homer have? 3. Bart, Lisa, and Maggie. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Who's Homer's best friend? His friend Barney. Do you have a best friend too? That is nice. Homer works at a power plant in Springfield. Can you guess what his job is? He's a safety inspector. What's your favorite funny thing Homer says? That is a good one. Awesome job, everyone! Look at our amazing Homer Simpson. We did such a fantastic job today. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time for more drawing fun.